Ever wondered how workers cut massive trees and haul them through muddy jungle roads after heavy rains? Picture roaring chainsaws, sinking trucks, slippery slopes, and fierce weather. Every move is a battle of grit, danger, and pure skill. Stay tuned. Look at this guy, chainsaw in hand, eyes locked on the treetop, ready to dodge if things go south. The jungle's no joke, folks. Stay tuned. These two tree-cutting machines are slicing through the forest with precision and speed. It's like watching two mechanical arms dance in perfect sync. How do they handle all that pressure and still come out on top? Stick around to see how these steel hands tackle the toughest challenges the jungle throws their way. Amid the snowy woods, this crane, a steel giant, joins the winter scene like a graceful dancer. Its robotic moves pick timber with ease, blending power and precision. Hats off to the skilled operator, who handles it like second nature. Snow falls, logs stack, and the forest's rhythm hums. Pure harmony in action. Meet the yellow beast. Hugging two massive logs, it pulls them effortlessly through the forest. Precision? Check. Power? Oh yeah. Hats off to the driver. It's teamwork between man, machine, and nature. Ever climbed a mountain? Well, this beast does it while chopping trees. The forest giant scales slopes. Precision meets brute force, all guided by the skilled operator. Nature's rugged terrain? No match for this powerful tree cutter. Incredible, isn't it? Piece by piece, this machine makes it look so easy, doesn't it? Cutting through timber like butter, it's a marvel in the forest. Impressive, right? The trucks are loaded to the brim, ready to carry timber down the treacherous roads. But hold on, these aren't your typical Sunday drives. Snowy paths, muddy trails, and steep climbs that could rival Everest. This is the real deal, folks. Drivers face challenges that push skill and grit to the limit. Every turn holds a surprise. Every slope, a new test of courage. What's the toughest obstacle they'll conquer today? Stay tuned as we dive into this daring adventure. It's not just about moving wood. It's about battling nature's toughest terrains with nerves of steel. Now that's a ride worth watching, don't you think? Look at this truck, loaded to the max, crawling through a muddy path. Wait, is that even a road? The terrain gets tougher, more unpredictable with every mile. What's the biggest challenge these drivers face? Stay tuned to see what wild obstacle nature throws their way. This is no ordinary delivery. Wow, look at all that timber ready at the site. Now, here's the fun part. Watch how they load it up and the unique machines they use to transport it. From cranes to massive trucks, each country has its own way of doing things. Pretty cool, right? Let's see how they tackle it.